Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Use Basics. Today in this tutorial I'm gonna show you how to change greeting in Character AI. First open the app Character AI in your device and make sure you have logged into Character AI and you have a character in Character AI. If you have already logged into a Character AI, you can see this interface and click on to any character you want to change greeting. After clicking a character, you will head to a message box and tap on top of a character. After tapping it, you can see edit character. Tap onto edit character. After tapping on it, you will reach to this page and you can see how will character introduce themselves. Tap on it and edit a greeting, or you can click the option generate it for me and tap to save. After typing a save, you have changed your character greeting. This is how easy to change a character greeting in Character AI. I hope this video been helpful and informative. If this video been informative, make sure to subscribe our YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss our next episode. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button, and thank you for watching us till the end.